Hi friends, so today I am going to explain a very beautiful concept, the cube of a number without using the formula. Everyone feels mathematics is a difficult. That's the reason maths phobia developed in the minds of the children, especially because we are forcing the children to by heart the formulas. How many formulas the children has to by heart? For that reason, I want to make formula free way of teaching. So this is the first topic about finding the cube of a number without using the formula. Everyone, even who doesn't know even addition subtractions also properly, that guy also can do the cube of a number very easily. Okay. So let's take a two-digit number. A two-digit number may be of four kinds. It ends with 1, starts with 1, means unit digit is 1, tens digit is 1. Both the digits are same, both the digits are different. So I am checking all these as 4 cases. Now check the case 1. The case 1 is the first one. You have to take the case 1. The case 1, as you know, that unit digit is 1. Okay. That is maybe 21 or 31 or 41 or 51 up to 91. Okay, now I am taking 21 cube. Okay, what you have to do means very simple. Cube the 2. 2 cube. 2 of 2. That is 8. Next, 2 square. 2 of 2. That is 4. Next, 2 itself. 2. 1 cube itself. 1. You know that 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4. 2 power 1 is 2. That's it. Leave the extremes 8 and 1. Take the middle numbers 4 and 2. Twice the numbers. 4 twice is 8. 2 twice is 4. Add this. This is 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 is carry here. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9261. 9261 is the answer. That's it. How simple it is. Now take one more example. 31 cube. What you have to do? 3 cube, how much? 27. 3 square, 9. 3 power 1 is 3. Okay, 3 cube means 3 of 3. So 27 first, then 9, then 3, then 1. Leave the extremes. Take the twice of the middle number. 9 2s are 18, 3 2s are 6. Add it. 1, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 18 is 27. Take 2 here. 2 is carried here. 27 plus 2, 29. 29,791 is the answer. That's it. Okay. Now we will verify the second case. Case 2. So what is the case 2 here? Here not unit digit. Tens digit. Tens digit is 1. So the number will change. So 21 will change this as 12 or 31 will change this as 13, like same method, no formula, no janjat, anything, you can find the value very easily. Okay. Now we will check it with the 12 cube. Okay. 12. So here again the same process. 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4, 2 power 1 is 2, and of course 2 power 0 is 1. So means here you have to write from bottom 1, 2, 4, 8. Leave the first and last digits. Take the middle one, consider the middle one, take the twice of the numbers. 2 square 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 is carried here, 2 plus 4 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1. 1, 7, 2, 8, that's it. For example, you want to find the 13 cube. What you have to do? Same. 3 cube, 27. 3 square, 9. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 power 0 is 1. So what you have to do? Write from bottom. 1, 3, 9, 27. Leave the first and last. Take the middle one, twice the numbers. 3 2 is 6, 9 2 is 18, 27, 7, 2 is the carry here. 9 plus 18, 27 plus 2, 29. 2 is carry here. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 is carry here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2197 is the answer, 13 cube. In this manner you can find it. The cube of a tens digit which is ends with the, of course, a 2-digit number where the tens digit is 1. Okay. Now come to the case 3. So what is the case 3? You know it. Both the digits are same. Okay, maybe 22, maybe 33, maybe 44, maybe 55, up to maybe 99. Okay, so case 3. 22 whole cube. Okay, you just cube of the numbers. Because you know that 2 cube which is 8, no? So write 8, 8, 8, 8. Then leave the first and last. Take the middle one. Twice of the numbers. 8, 8 plus 6, 16 is 24. 2 is a carry here. 8 plus 6 is 24 plus 2, 26. 2 is carry here. 8 plus 2 is 10. Just okay. Now if you take 33 cube, what you have to do? 3 cube. How much? 27. Right? 27, 27, 27, 27. Twice of the middle ones. 54, 54. So 27 means you have to write 7. 2 is carry here. 27 plus 54 is 81 plus 2. 83. 8 is carry here. 27 plus 54, 81 plus 8. 89. 8 is carry here. 27 plus 8, 35. 35,937. That's it. Okay. Now come to the next case, case 4. If the digits are different, okay, when the digits are different, what you have to do? Maybe 23, maybe 34, maybe 24, maybe 53. Like lot of probabilities are there, lot of permutations are there. So now let's take a 23 cube. Okay, what how to do means here. So here 2 power decreases by 1 unit. 3 power increases by 1 unit. Means first one is 2 cube, which is 8. Next 1 unit decreases. 2 square is 4. Okay. Next one is 2. Next one is 1. Like so. Before going to write all these numbers, you have to do a simple thing, because for understanding purpose I have written like so 8. Next 2 square, which is 4. You have to multiply with 3. 4 3 is 12. Next 2. This is 3 square. You have to multiply 3 square. Means 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18. 3 cube 27. You know that. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. Okay. Here the first and last. Then you have to twice the middle one. Means this is 24, this one is 26. 27, 7 here, 2 is carried, 20 plus 36, 56, 6 is here, 5 is carried, 24 plus 12, 36 plus 5, 41, 4 is carried here, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 6. For example, if you want to find 34 cube, for example, what you have to do? Here you have to add 4 power 1 is 4, 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64. Okay. 3 cube 27. Next 3 square 9. 9 4s are 36. Next 3. 4 square 16. 3 16s are 48. Next 4 cube 64. That's it. Twice of this number 72, 96. These are percent. So 64, 4. 6 is a carry here. Okay, 9, you have 48 plus 96. This is 130, 144 is 144 plus 6, 150. 15. 36 plus 72, yeah, 108 plus 15, 123, 3, 12. 27 plus 12 is 39. That's it. In this manner, you can find a value here. Okay. So I'm going to reveal the actual thing. So what is the formula? Formula means here we are using the formula only, but we kept this one in our mind. So here I am taking 2 cube. If we say this is A, this one is B. For example, if you take it as this one is A cube, correct? This one is 2 square 4, 4 3 is 12 means a square b. Next 2 into 3 square which is 9 means ab square. The last one is twice of this numbers means 2a square b, 2ab square. Okay, just add this. A cube 2a square b plus a square b, 3a square b. This is 3ab square. This is b cube. So plus. Now see this formula: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. If you say to the children, use this formula, substitute the values, find the answer, the children will get confused. Lot of feel difficult. Without saying this, if you say the actual theme beside the formula, the children can understand it. This is the one of the method. So better to avoid and say it as a mathematics as always math trick. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you for listening.